Hello guys, welcome back to Shortcut. Today I'm going to tell you about HostGator program. HostGator web hosting. HostGator is one of the best in the list of top 5 hosting in the world. Like HostGator provide different types of hosting services. Like wherever you get is like a basic plan start for a shared hosting. Basic plan start from $2.75 per month with so many benefits. If you purchase a 1 year hosting, they are going to give you along with one free domain. Before going topic, make sure you subscribe and like this video and share this video. To start a small business or start a blogging if you want to start a blogging as your business, just go with a HostGator. HostGator is also one of the best hosting web hosting provider in the world. Like go wherever the pro host, like if they are going for tons of website hosting options will be like go HostGator, and they're giving you 99.9% uptime guarantee, free SSL certificate, easy WordPress installation, and free domain for 1 year plan. These are the main accurate things about the HostGator. Before going to before purchasing any website, you have to select a niche. Before starting a blog, you have to select a niche topic for your business, everything. For that one, what are the the different types of hosting HostGator was giving is like a shared hosting. In shared hosting, they are giving like easy, affordable, and includes a free domain for years. Here, like they are giving a $2.75 per month. They're charging for hosting plan, and if you go with annually, they will giving a free domain. Here is for every web hosting plan, they are giving you 1 year domain name for free, and after 1 year we have to renew every 1 year you have to renew the domain name. Approximately $10 they will charge you $10 like that. Okay, like a website builder, just drag and drop and publish it is really that easy. And one more thing is WordPress hosting, like they are charging you $5.95 per month. And VPN hosting, this is the dedicated hosting. If you have a big website, like if you are getting 1 lakh visitors per month, 2 lakh visitors, go with a VPS hosting. You can like a speed, like a loading speed will be comparatively shared hosting. Shared hosting will be like the bandwidth they are giving unlimited, but bandwidth will be shared between all the shared hosting. Even if you have more views, more things, like everything, just go with a VPS hosting. It will be more benefit. If you are making more money, just go with the dedicated hosting after once you reach your threshold targeting. And start with a HostGator. With your HostGator, this grosser scale have been doing this since years. Like they started since 2020, they are giving a great offers, like 30% of our customers are web pros, 2 million plus website currently hosting, free domain name, 99% uptime guarantee, 1-click WordPress installation, and free site transfer, unmetered bandwidth, free SSL certificate. Check out this. Customers are having Twitter, like so many world popular bloggers like John Chow. It's a pretty great platform, highly recommended for you new users who want to build a own business school, like a very easy to set up, had experience hosting before sign up the HostGator, but they made everything simple. Many customers have took so many case studies. They all are like a popular bloggers and website hosters, website developer. They're making like millions which are their website using HostGator. They are giving a 24/7 365 days support. You work when you work, like they can call them. There is a local number there. You can call them to direct mobile numbers. Like you can get any help related to hosting anytime, anywhere. These are the most hosting things of now. I'll tell you how it will be if I go with a general shared hosting service. Like click on learn. We would know more about a shared hosting plan. In shared hosting plan, there are 3 types of hosting plans: shared hosting, baby plan, business plan. If for shared hosting, they're giving only single, you can host only single domain, you can 1-click WordPress installation, free WordPress cPanel website, unlimited bandwidth, and free SSL certification, free domain included. In baby plan, what you are doing is unlimited domains. You can host unlimited domains in website, 1-click, remaining as it is. Like in business plan, they're charging around $5.95 per month, $6. You can host unlimited websites, domains, like if 1-click WordPress installation, free WordPress cPanel, website transfer, everything is similar to this. But one more, they are giving a free upgrade to Positive SSL, free dedicated IP and free SEO tool. They are giving some SEO tools to promote your business, like a free domain asterisk, free domain name increase, free SSL certificate. This is the difference between three hosting. If you are planning to for only one website, go with the hassling plan. Otherwise, if you have more than more than one site, just go with the baby plan. It's the best benefit for you. There is the basic charge for going with the basic shared hosting plan. HostGator is the one of the best in the market. Like they're giving good services provider. Here is the how it to I've taken a shared hosting. I'm trying how share. Enter your domain name which you want to. My new hosting. Check for domain name. I think I will get domain name here. Don't get domain name like this. I'm just for practice. If you take 3 years, they will charging you $2.75 and 6 to 6. You're getting almost 6 to 60% off on this hosting plan. Choosing like enter your email and password, enter your details, billing details, and you enter your credit card details. Here is some more feature. If you want to secure your website with a site location cell, you can select this one. If you don't want this, you can deselect these things. In next video, I will tell you some of the features they are giving is like for 40. They are giving a 45 hassling 365. If you want to remove any unwanted like their it would be like $172. You take as a 3 years plan. If you don't want this backup hardware, they are charging $2 for backup and security or website share locker. If you want to remove this, it will be like around costing $150 including tax including taxes. Depend upon the country to country, their taxes may be vary. If you want to go with this plan, this is the one of the best plan to host your website blog business. Like if $150 round figure, this is the best way to take. If you are interested, so many happiest customer, so many customers who know. I read every most of the reviews on HostGator. Most of them are happy customers. Some one guy told they are using for 2 years, but they doesn't face even single problem with the HostGator bandwidth per service site down. Previously also host in different companies, but the site hosting like a site speed maybe affects your blog performance. It will hurt your revenue. So go with a good hosting affiliation HostGator plan. This is a complete review of the HostGator hosting services. So I hope you enjoy this video. If you have missed any issues, any points in this videos, just comment below so I can update. I will make a new video with all the points. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe and like this video and share this video.